Hello, I'm Charles Haskell, medical oncologist, ethicist, and photographer. Welcome to my vlog, where I tell stories that have taught me lessons. This episode is about procrastination. While I was at UCLA, I had a small private practice along with my teaching and research responsibilities. I mainly saw women with breast cancer, but I also saw men and women with gastrointestinal cancers. Cancer can be unpredictable, but it usually starts as a small local lesion followed by regional spread and only later distant metastases. The American Cancer Society has promoted early diagnosis, especially by mammography for women with breast lumps. Most patients have symptoms early on, but sometimes a patient will procrastinate, resulting in a delayed diagnosis. The most extreme example of diagnostic procrastination I saw in my practice was the wife of a physician who presented with massive involvement of both breasts with breast cancer. She had watched the lumps in her breast evolve from small little things to open wounds with rotting flesh and a strong odor. The medical name for her condition was inflammatory breast cancer. She and her physician husband had been married for many years, but as they grew older, they became somewhat distant from each other. They slept in separate bedrooms and were no longer intimate. It wasn't until the odor of necrotic breast tissue became overwhelming that she sought medical care. There wasn't much we could do, and she soon died from widespread metastatic disease. When I graduated from medical school, a physician friend gave me a small book of aphorisms. It was entitled Gracian's Manual, which was originally published in 1653. Most of the aphorisms and rules are irrelevant to our modern age, but one aphorism resonated with me. It wasn't new, but it was worded in such a way that I believed it and remembered it. It reads, "A wise man does at once what a fool does at last. They both do the same thing, the first in season and the other out." Some say that ignorance is bliss, but you are a fool if you ignore the early signs of anything posing an existential threat. There are times when procrastination can be dangerous or even deadly. Even in daily life, procrastination can harm your spirit and impair your enjoyment of life. This concludes my story about procrastination. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.